The best key cannot be fixed flatly if fixed on jaw directly. We will suggest to use 1.5 mm L wrench to guide how to fix the key, shown in the figure. Fix the original key at S2A by the tip stopper on the jaw shown in the figure. This tip align is different from general single-sided key, please pay attention to the stopper position. Remove the stopper. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and install the S2 jaw to Alpha Pro. Click Search ID button, then input 751. Make sure the decoder is 1 mm and the cutter is 2.0 mm. Click Decode to start decoding. After decoding, remove the original key and jaw for more convenient operation later. Fix a new key blank at S2A by the tip stopper. Please pay attention to the stopper position. Remove the stopper. Make sure the key is fixed flatly and install the S2 jaw to Alpha Pro. Click Cut to start cutting. Cutting is done, please clean shavings and test that the new key works well.